To set the camera app to start in the last use mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to keep the setting for the camera mode. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap settings to keep and then tap the gray on off switch next to camera mode until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key twice. Change the camera mode to other mode. As the example, we will change it to video. Close the camera and then reopen the camera. As you can see, the camera app start in the last use mode, in this case in video, instead of always starting in photo mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.